Hey guys, I want to show you this glitch that I kind of noticed on this track. Right here when you jump off the ramp, and if you land before that red bar and you're drifting hard right, your character will slide off towards the left and go through the castle wall. And I don't know why it happens. I have kind of an idea of why it happens, but in this section you can kind of tell how she starts to slide off slowly, but I managed to somehow just get in the castle right before it. And I'll show you a second clip where I tried to recreate it, but I got bumped and jumped off the ramp. So see here, you jump off, and right before the first bar right there you land or something like that, and then right there, see how she's just sliding to the left and I let go of my boost. I have no idea why it does that, but I've had already like incidents where she just completely flies off to the left, and that's a glitch because it's not meant to do that. You can kind of see it again. Watch, see how she slides off to the left. And here's the second clip. Right here, you jump, land before the bar, and it actually slows me down completely, but the other character hits me and knocks me off. And here I slow it down, and see how I'm not even moving. I get bumped out, and it's always in that first bar right there. So I mean, I hope you guys can do it, recreate it, and let me know if you can do it. Originally I thought that this was something that, you know, just random occurrences, and that you could do it with like a boost, a mushroom, or a coin frenzy or something like that. And no, you don't need a coin frenzy or a mushroom or some kind of speed modifier. You just need to be able to land right in front of that bar, in that very first bar. And my guess is that when you do it, it's because of a what is it, geometry in the 3D, how it's made. And I think the character, the kart, actually goes and gets clipped right at the bottom, and you know, on the collision. So the character is actually going through the collision instead of being on top of the collision, and it causes to slide off and fall out or get out of the map, you know. And you can see it, you can see how the character slides off, which is real strange. But you guys try it out and let me know if you guys can recreate it, you know, and hopefully you guys can get it on tape. I've been doing it a few times I wasn't able to get it, a few times I was, and you know, this time I was able to get it, but I got bumped off instead of sliding to the left. See, land right before the red bar just a little bit, and I get knocked down. Well, thank you for your time.